In business news, Dr. Brian Langwin has been appointed as the governor of the Bank of Jamaica. Langwin, the BOJ's 12th governor, succeeds Richard Biles, whose 7-year term ends today. The new governor is taking charge as the central bank continues efforts to keep inflation within its 4 to 6% target range amid economic uncertainty. His appointment follows a selection process formalized in April by a 4-member search committee convened by Finance Minister Faithful Williams. He brings more than 2 decades of experience in central banking, financial stability, and international development. Denise Williams brings us more news from the world of business.
For the trading period of August 17, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 7,447,358 units, representing 20.09% of market sales. Woodcats International Limited with 6,758,083 units, representing 10.15% of market sales. Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial Shares with 2,115,322 units, representing 6.29% of market sales. Investor activity remained concentrated in distribution and transportation plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for August 17, 2026. Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $158.76 and buying at $157.15. Moderate gains supported by $3.29 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $115.91 and was bought for $112.62. The British pound had continued volatility, offering short-term trading opportunities of $4.85 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $215.41 and was bought for $210.56. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, what happens to your credit worthiness when your paycheck doesn't keep up with your grocery bill? Imagine sitting across the desk from a banker. You tell the banker, my income hasn't changed, but everything costs more. The banker understands the problem, but the bank still has to answer a different question. Can this borrower reliably repay the money? That distinction is crucial. Inflation may explain why a household is under pressure, but the credit report records what happened as a result of that pressure, not necessarily why it happened. Protect your credit, protect your cash flow, increase your earning power, and use financial capital strategically to build assets, because the goal isn't merely to survive a period of high prices. The goal is to build a financial position that becomes stronger than the economic environment around you. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.